Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're a HR professional or a HR consultant, then this video is for you. Today I'm walking you through my proven 11-step implementation roadmap on how to implement AI effectively into HR. It's a step-by-step process I use with my clients so that we can bring AI confidently into their HR processes, tasks, and activities. Whether you're just curious or you're ready to take action, this roadmap will help you avoid those common pitfalls and unlock the real potential of AI. So let's dive in, and do let me know in the comments if you'd like a longer video that actually takes you through each of these steps in a lot more detail. So first up, before you're actually implementing any form of AI, you need to understand its potential. Get clear on why it is that you are doing this. Ask yourself, where is your HR team or your HR consultancy wasting time? What are the tasks and activities that you are repeating quite frequently? What could be done faster, smarter, or even better? And remember, it's not about replacing your HR expertise. It's about elevating your HR function, freeing you up time to do more strategic work. Next, you want to be identifying your goals. What does success look like for you? Maybe you want to reduce that manual admin by, say, 30 or 40%. Maybe you want to improve employee experience or improve your onboarding experience for new starters. Or it might be that you want to personalise some of your employee communications or help you with some of your strategies. So be very specific. The clearer your goals, the easier it is to measure impact later on. Now, step number 3, we're actually evaluating how ready are you to implement AI into your HR organisation. It's about asking yourselves, are we actually ready to do this? Do you have the right technology infrastructure? Do your team members understand AI and what it can do for them? More importantly, do they understand how it can affect them? And are they trained to deliver it? This stage might actually reveal to you that you have to upskill or even pause to fix some of those foundational issues. Step 4, and for me, probably one of the most crucial stages, is around ethics, security, and compliance. HR data is sensitive, and trust is absolutely everything with your employees. So making sure that how you're using AI actually aligns with GDPR, with data protection laws, and with your internal policies. And do you have a clear policy? You need to build that governance framework. And that includes transparency and ethical considerations, which is something I can talk about for quite a long time. Step number 5 is all about identifying solutions and develop those plans further. It's time for you to understand what it is that you actually want to do. There's tons of tools out there, from AI-powered recruitment tools to chatbots for employee queries. But start small. Pick one use case. Build a pilot plan, identify your key KPIs, and outline responsibilities. Start with generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, or even Copilot before you start launching something bigger. The next step is capturing the data. It's the lifeblood of AI. Whatever you're training your AI in, it will respond accordingly to. So what data do you already have in terms of policy, process, examples, etc.? Is it structured? Is it clean? Is it current? If not, invest some time here. It'll make you more effective in the long run. Step number 7 is about testing. If you're ready to roll it out, actually, are you quite ready to do that? It's time to test it. Run a small-scale trial with real users. See what works, see what doesn't work, and where things break. Testing helps you refine things without wasting money or damaging that all-important employee trust. Step number 8 is about training. Once you've tested, start training your people. AI isn't a play and plug, despite what many people think. It still needs training. And actually, you need buy-in, not only from your team members, but from staff and from your leadership teams. You're teaching your team not only how to use the tools, but why they're using them. Show them how it makes life easier for everybody. and ultimately how your organisation can win. Step number 9 is about measuring and evaluating. After go live, it's actually about measuring your success and evaluate that success. Are you hitting your original goals? Did your goals change somewhere along the line? You need to use data and feedback from your team to understand what's working and what's not. And remember, AI isn't set it up once and forget it. It's evolving so quickly. Step number 10 is about refining. Based on your evaluation, now it's time to get crystal clear on what it is that works. Adjust your workflows, tweak your settings, or maybe even explore some new features. And if you're using generative AI, such as ChatGPT, Perplexity, etc., then it might even be about starting to create your own custom GPTs or looking at your prompts and developing a HR prompt bank for you and for your team on things that work. Think of it this way, you're just tuning an engine. You might be making it less noisy, you're making it smoother, you're making it run faster, and you're making it better over time. And the last step is around continuous evaluation. Because technology evolves, so do you, and so does the team, and so do your requirements. Set regular reviews, whether they are quarterly, annually, monthly, whatever works best for you. Stay agile so AI keeps delivering the things and the value long term for you. And that's the full AI implementation roadmap. We've gone over things quite briefly, and what sits underneath each of those could potentially be larger pieces of work. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Or if you're looking at implementing AI yourself, why not get in touch with me to discuss your AI implementation support? Drop a comment if you've hit any AI roadblocks, and let's solve them together. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI isn't here to replace people. It's about empowering them. I'll see you soon.